Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Vanguard Target Retirement Funds. Vanguard Target Retirement Funds are mutual funds designed to help investors save for retirement. They offer a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds, automatically adjusting the asset allocation based on the target retirement date you select. This makes them a good option for those who want a simple, low-maintenance approach to retirement investing. Their website provides details on the various funds available, their expense ratios, and performance history. Vanguard is known for its low fees and broad selection of investment options. One key benefit is the automatic rebalancing, ensuring your portfolio stays aligned with your risk tolerance as you approach retirement. The ease of use and transparency are significant selling points, with no hidden fees or contracts. Availability is broad, as these funds are offered through many brokerage accounts. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Vanguard Target Retirement Funds. I chose a fund with a target retirement date of 2050, aligning with my long-term financial goals. Getting started was incredibly easy. I opened an account online in about 15 minutes. The interface is clean and intuitive, allowing me to easily monitor my portfolio's performance, contributions, and overall balance. I especially appreciate the clear presentation of expense ratios and historical performance data. The performance has been generally in line with expectations, though market fluctuations naturally impact the returns. I did have a quick question about tax implications, and their support responded within 2 business days via email, providing a very helpful explanation. I was really impressed by how easy it was to adjust my contribution amount. One minor drawback was the somewhat limited options for customizing the portfolio beyond the pre-selected target date funds. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Vanguard Target Retirement Funds. They've simplified my retirement planning and provided a stress-free way to invest. That's my overview of Vanguard Target Retirement Funds. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.